Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. First of all, this video is just an introductory video of myself and the channel. My name is Jenny, a certified marriage and relationship coach. The name of the channel is Ideal Marriage and Relationship. So I am here to provide you with a lot of tips that you need to bring peace, unity and understanding in your marriage or in your relationship. So if your marriage or relationship is going through one difficulty or the other, and you've been thinking, how do I restore peace, unity, understanding in this marriage or in this your relationship? Think no more, worry no more, because I've got an awesome thing for you in this channel. I promise you that every video I will drop on this channel is going to be educating, it will be enlightening, it will be mind blowing, and you cannot afford to miss the videos I'll be dropping on this channel. So please come, let's grab knowledge because knowledge is power, and my people perish for lack of knowledge. And in this channel, you will be equipped on the knowledge that you need to bring that understanding you've ever desired in your marriage or in your relationship. And guess what? This has always been my desire to impact life positively and to see that our homes and our relationships are good. And thanks to God who has provided this opportunity for us through this media on YouTube. So come along with me, let's do this together. Subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video. And when you do this, you encourage me to do this the more. I'll be dropping videos every week. Thank you so much. I love you, but do not forget, you have a friend, Sarah Jenny, you can always talk to me concerning your relationship and your marriage. And I promise you, my discussion with you is 100% confidential.